Flubro here. It is currently 5:29 in the morning. I'm out on my bike. It's like I'm up pretty early today. Just kind of decided I wanted to go for a bike ride. It's sprinkling a little bit, but nothing I can't handle. Going down to get myself some coffee. And then going a little bit more of a bike ride after that. Starting to rain a little bit harder, but nothing I really care about. Oh, I think my rear tire might be coming loose. I'll fix that when I get them nice and easy. 5:30 in the morning. Let's see, what's open? I don't see anything actually, except for possibly Sergi's. But I don't know if that's an open sign or just a neon light they left on. Because I think they've done that in the past by mistake. Well, Nice and Easy's is open. That's where I'm heading, to get some coffee. So, see you in a minute. See, seems to be safe to continue onwards past the car. Currently on the bike. Just kind of texted everybody on Instagram to see if anybody wants to join me on my bike ride / run. I'm just kind of biking to the edge of town where I'm going to get some rural roads where I can run on, because that way I start from a different area. See if anybody wants to join me on it. He has responded to the post. See if anybody has joined yet. See if anybody wants to join, because the town marker is up there, like way up there. The advantage of a mountain bike is you always have a wide shoulder, no matter where you go, because you can just use this. You don't have to use the actual shoulder. So yeah, you can go quite fast on it as well. Maybe a little bit bumpy on this thing, but here's the only real problems you face. Guardrails. And oh boy, are they a problem. Well, there's a truck coming, so I'm going to back myself up like this and wait. This thing, this is epic. One of the most epic vehicles there is, I'd say. It's a tipper. 1931 Model A Ford. Double A stands for like a tipper or a dump truck or a semi, Model A like a semi or something like that. Rather valuable vehicle. Restored, I'd say, is probably about $90,000 to $160,000, I'd say, in that price range. My guess is it might start, but I doubt it would run. Like, I doubt it would move. But pretty cool car. Actually, it's missing the crank, so it wouldn't start. But pretty cool car. First segment of our run is down James Street, which is a quarter of a mile down back, but will soon be on a longer stretch, a much longer stretch in a minute. So it's a dead end, but about a quarter of a mile we'll reach our next stretch. So yeah, let's start. So this is James Street. Actually never been down here. It's a nice day out. on the Mead Road. Let's see here. Kind of not much actually. It's a lot of green, a barn, house. No dinosaurs or anything. I don't see any anyhow. So, hope this guy doesn't mind me pulling over into the side of his driveway to, like, fix the problem. See, it's right there. So, that's Boydenbrook. Somewhere in there, Mom's car is probably getting, well, torn apart to find a solution to, like, 5 billion problems. Over there, because it has like 5 billion problems to it, and probably there's gonna be 5 billion problems the next time she drives it, because it's a Subaru, and the car that is a rental that we have right now I'm not a fan of either because I don't fit, but well, to give you an idea of how tall I am, I'm 5'11" and a half, so I'm not small, and so I don't really fit in very many Japanese cars because they're Japanese people, well, they kind of build them for their streets, and their streets aren't really the biggest streets in the world. Their streets are like alleyways. So their cars wind up being super small unless they're meant to be sold somewhere else. There we go. Had to turn off the music just in case it's copyrighted. Time to test the bike suspension. Much smoother ride than my blue bike. That's for sure. I'd say I'm to Heritage Park to do some bird watching. I prefer mainly to do it for short periods of time, like for like 15 to 20 minutes at a time. But so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go down to Heritage Park and bird watch for 15 to 20 minutes. I have my binoculars in the backpack, along with a bird book, and actually 2 bird books. Very helpful one, and one with about 20 birds in it. It's more like a brochure. I think that's what you call it, right? And that bird up there. It's yellow. The brown crest. Can't make out too much detail. I don't think it's a goldfinch. I think it is might be a warbler of some sort. Maybe a vireo. So, anyways, Tinsel didn't want to join today because, he was out on well, actually, he just kind of, well, he doesn't want to join you because it's too hot or too cold. He technically just kind of runs away from the leash. So, we did that today, so, just didn't want to join. So, it's just Mozzie and me today. Didn't really record much. Just kind of down at the island there. You guys kind of know what that looks like. So, just gonna kind of head back to the house. Probably cool down for a few minutes and then back to the island and possibly do bird watching or something like that. You guys can probably see the binoculars in the lower half of the camera, I think. Trying to find the